Okay, everyone, question. Do you tamper with my fire alarms when you are in my house? The answer is no. You never ever tamper with my fire alarms when you are in my house for any reason, because those are not your fire alarms. It is my fire alarm. So don't mess with it unless I give you permission to do so, but if I don't, you leave it alone. If you tamper with my fire alarms in my house, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. So there will be police cars outside of my house if you tamper with my alarms. So do not tamper with my alarms for any reason. Goodbye.